We're delighted to be here at Bloom for the next 4 days. We've had a very busy first day. We are running the competition to give away a Gardena robot every day and a 450 Nero robot overall, worth about €6,000. This is the new robot with the V system, the camera at the front. This is a mower you can install yourself. It's a fantastic piece of kit. We're delighted to welcome our brand ambassador Mark McHugh here today. We wish Mark and the Westmeath team well for the remainder of the year.
Good man, Kieran. Thank you.
Yeah. And we also have another very special guest here today. We turn his lanyard round. We'd like to wish Porrick a very happy 50th birthday. 59th birthday. That's the main event this week. Yeah. Mark's getting his robot installed tomorrow.
Yes, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Hey, my wife is the most happiest woman in Ireland right now. So we'll see how it goes, and I'm sure with the brand like Husqvarna, there'll be no issue at all. And happy birthday, sir. It's great to be here. Good to be here. Happy birthday. Good man.
I'd like to thank the team at Monaghan Hire for the fabulous display that they have. As Kieran said there, we're selling a robot to Mark McHugh here in Glencar in Donegal. Kilcar in Donegal. It just goes to show we've mowers gone to Cork this morning. We may be called Monaghan Hire, but we're Monaghan Hire nationwide. We're selling all over the country. So it just goes to show how the team have developed this company over the years and where we're at. The only thing I'll say about online selling is we should have started 20 years ago. But we're big at it now and we're getting bigger. So thanks to everybody for the great display, and of course to Husqvarna for helping us along here today. And best of luck, Mark, with your new Automower. And thanks for becoming our latest ambassador.
Yeah,
our other robot ambassador, by the way, is Conor McManus of Monaghan. So we have two fabulous brand ambassadors now. So thanks again for all your efforts. Thank you, Paul.